Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entri. I Deepani Bhardwaj, welcome to you all again, and today I have brought a wonderful news for you all that IPS has increased its vacancies by 4,000 seats now. See, we already knew what all seats were there, but there were some banks who did not release their vacancies, and in front of those banks NR was mentioned, isn't it? But now a wonderful news is that the vacancies have been increased and it is going to be now for 4,000 plus. Now, what is this? What is it exactly? So let me tell you. Once you will go at IPS website, you will see that on that particular website of one tagline is going on, and that particular tagline is saying that IPS has increased its vacancies, and you can see it on the website right now. Fine. So talking about this notification, they have told that in this new notification number of seats have increased. Now let us see how those particular seats are increased. Let us go directly there. See, if I talk about this one part, see, as you can see that Bank of Baroda hasn't given any seat, and they have clearly mentioned that there were no seats from there. But now, since Canara Bank has given 2100 extra seats, so the overall seats now are 3517. So the present number of seats are 3517, but as I told you, the seats are going to be 4,000 plus. This means I am taking into the consideration these two banks. See, Indian Bank and Punjab National Bank have still not reported their vacancies. These vacancies are still pending. This means, see, Punjab National Bank is not a small bank, and if you can see that even Punjab and Sindh Bank has given 83 seats, UCO Bank is giving 350. So on an average, I can assume that even if Punjab National Bank and Indian Bank and Punjab National Bank, if they together also gives 500 seats, that is, I am talking about a minimum seat, that is 250 each. So these vacancies are going to be 4,000 plus now. So right now it is 3,517, and still Punjab National Bank and Indian Bank are about to give their seats. Once they release their seats, these vacancies are going to be 4,000 plus then. So please be prepared for the examination, as this is the wonderful news that you can hear. Fine. So the present total number of seats are 3,517, and they will surely go up 4,000. Fine. So this was the wonderful news for you all. In case you have any doubt, comment section is there for you. So please do like this video and share as much as possible. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.